All right, pre-AP geometry. I'm just making this video here real quick to go over some of our special formulas from units 9 and 10. We may see them on the final, we may not, but I think they're good for y'all to have, and you may want to try to get these on your notes somewhere. So, if you remember our surface area formula for a pyramid, this is from unit 9. So for any pyramid, it was perimeter slant height divided by 2 plus the base area. That was the formula for any surface area of a pyramid. Okay. Um, if you recall, as we were going along through that unit, we were able to sort of clean that formula up a little bit. So if we have a surface area pyramid with a polygon base, so pentagonal pyramid, polygon, hexagonal pyramid, octagonal pyramid, whatever, we were able to sort of clean that formula up where it was going to be perimeter times slant height plus apothem, all divided by 2. Okay. So instead of trying to do PL divided by 2 and then doing base area, really the three things that we need is perimeter of the base, the slant height, and the apothem, and we could just sort of consolidate it into this formula right here. It's a little bit cleaner, neater, a little bit less stuff happening there. All right. Next, if we're trying to find a side length of a polygon and they give us a radius. Okay, side length of a polygon and they give us a radius. Okay, so the side is going to be 2r sine theta. 2r sine theta. I'm going to clean that up just a little bit for you. All right. 2r tan theta, or 2r sine theta, excuse me. All right. Next, if they give us the apothem, okay, if they give us the apothem, the side length is going to be 2 times the apothem times tan theta. All right, 2 apothem tan theta, and I'll get to what theta is momentarily. Lastly, if we have the polygon's area and we're trying to work backwards to find the side length, okay, this is kind of a complex one. If remember, side is going to be equal to 2 times the square root of the area of the polygon times tan theta, all divided by our number of sides. So 2 times the square root of area times the tan theta divided by the number of sides. All right. That's all of our side length formulas. So given the radius, we use this one. If it's given the apothem, we use this one. If it's given the area of the whole polygon, it's that. Okay. All right. So let's talk about apothem. Okay, if they give us a radius and we got to find the apothem, okay, the apothem is going to be r cosine theta. That's it. R cosine theta. And in any polygon, if we remember, we divide it into this little right triangle here. The radius is really the hypotenuse. Okay, the apothem is the adjacent side. Excuse me. The apothem is the adjacent leg, and then the O is really half the side, and our theta angle's up there. Okay, so the apothem is going to be r cosine theta. If they give us a side length, okay, the apothem is going to be the side divided by parentheses 2 tan theta. All right. Last and not least, the apothem of the polygon given the area. Okay, so we have the apothem here. It's going to be the square root of the area divided by parentheses n tan theta, all underneath the square root. Okay. Last but not least, the theta angle. Okay, if we forgot what theta is, it's going to be 180 divided by the number of sides. Okay. So again, this is all of kind of our specials, if you will, from units 9 and 10. Most of it has to do with polygons and stuff like that. So trying to make sure you have these formulas at your disposal. That way, anything that involves perimeters and apothms and polygons and stuff like that, we can navigate easily back and forth as we need to. Okay. Um, so that's that. Pause the video, go back if you need to. Here's our first 4 formulas right there. If you want to copy them down real quick, pause the video if you need to. And there's our last couple formulas right there with apothem and theta down here. Okay. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and best of luck.